Hi everyone and welcome to Fotopia Capture tutorial series. In this video, I will give you an overview on what the solution has to offer. I will start by logging in. This is the main interface of Fotopia Capture. To sign out, click on this button. This is the username I logged in with. You can change the language settings by clicking on this drop-down list. All these icons are appearing in the top ribbon since I'm logged in as an administrator. The batch class icon enables you to create batch classes and to configure settings related to workflow, separation, content type, quality assurance, attributes, and so on. Document types enables you to create different document types and to configure settings related to indexing, exporting, and so on. The templates icon enables you to create different templates, which is basically the zonal OCR feature. Database enables you to integrate other databases, whether Oracle or SQL Server, as well as Excel. You can also create global attributes as well as lookups. And this icon enables you to manage your batch instances. To view the dashboard of all existing batches, click here. Here are the security settings where you can create new usernames and control accessibility of all users. Finally, to start the scanning process, click on this icon. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.